how to receive calls from contacts only on your Android device. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to receive the calls from contacts only in your Android, you may just head over and follow up the settings for that. So for that, you can use your Android's Do Not Disturb settings to block all the other calls. Open up settings for that on your Android device and you can look out for vibration and notification or sounds and vibration and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you can look out for the not disturb option. If not here, you can look out for the notifications option as well. And once you tap on it, here you'll be finding different notifications settings available. So in order to not only receive calls from contacts only, you can go over and find the option for do not disturb. You can select this option. After you select it, you need to turn it on. So tap on it. After you turn it on here, you can go ahead and add up exceptions. So you can look out for this option called calls, messages, and conversations and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you can go over and tap on calls and select the option of contacts only. And once you do so, when you complete up the settings, that will enable to receive calls from only your Android. Only contacts. So you can do so. If you do not want that, you can select the option for all, and that way also you can go over and do so. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you'd like to receive calls from contacts only on Android device. It is pretty easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.